When my life was slipping away, I remembered you, and in your holy temple, you heard my prayer. Jonah chapter 2, verses 7. Hello, family. Welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. In today's recipe, fam, we are going to be making Ofada sauce to pair with our Ofada rice we made the other day. This is also known as Ayamase sauce or designer stew. Can you imagine? It is absolutely fascinating. So without further ado, oh yeah, let's go now. So for this recipe, you need lots of meat. Go ahead and use any meat of choice. Okay, so I have some wele or the cow skin, some tripe, cow foot, beef, even smoked turkeys, y'all. And I also have some boiled eggs, and this is the real deal. We have some selections of bell peppers. Use colors and make it even more beautiful. We have some palm oil, my ginger garlic, lots of onions, peppers, and lots of seasoning as well. Each and every ingredient will be listed down below in the description box. To begin with, I'm going to cook all my meat until they are very soft and tender. These meat are really tough, so you need lots of time for it to cook. So I'm going to season it with my all-purpose seasoning, beef seasoning, some salt, and my blended ginger, garlic, and onions. And I'll add lots of water, of course, because we want it to be very soft and tender. The whole sauce does not take longer time for it to cook, but it's just the meat. So if you want it to get faster for you, I would suggest that you cook your meat a day before. So while waiting for the meat to get ready, I have lots of chopping to do. So I'm going to chop my onions, and I'm going to also cut my bell peppers into smaller pieces to help the food processor process it very fast for me. So this sauce comes with lots of texture. So if you are not texture friendly person, I think this sauce is not going to be for you. Yes, you have to see all the seeds. You have to see the bell peppers crush as you see on your screens. So if you are not a texture friendly person, I'm really sorry. I don't know how you can make this. You may choose to blend. You may not end up with the same results. The food processor works very well, but if you do not have one, you may use your blender by using your pulse button. Okay, don't blend it very smooth. Also notice that the peppers has released all that juices that it has, so it's best for you to squeeze it out once you're taking them out from the food processor. You do not need that much juice. Your sauce will end up being very runny, and I think it's not the best idea. Okay, so there you have it. Absolutely beautiful colors we have here, and we're now going to attend to our meat. As you can see, it is cooking, but it's not quite yet there. Just stir it a little bit. Make sure that you do not end up burning the bottom of your pot. It may affect the stock, which we really need for this sauce. Okay, so cover it and allow it to cook for an extra 40 to 45 minutes. So 40 to 45 minutes later, you can see that the stock is drying out, which is really good. It's also telling you that the meat is getting cooked but it wasn't to the softness level that I wanted. So I took out the smoked turkey. Those were cooked perfectly, and I added more water and allowed it to cook for the next 20 more minutes. So for this recipe to be very authentic, you need to bleach your palm oil, which is something we've never ever done in Ghana, or at least my lifetime. I've never seen my parent bleach their palm oil before using it. So it was very interesting, and it's very dangerous process. You need to be very careful. Cover this whole pot that you're using. It's very important not to open the pot while bleaching it, because you end up coughing. Okay, so I put it on the fire for about 5 minutes on a high heat, and this palm oil is going to change color from red to a very light color, which you're going to see very soon. So I will advise you not to open this pot while the bleaching process is going on. Okay, so now our meat is finally done. Yay! I took them out, and the stock is very important. You have to make sure that you set it aside for later use. So this is our bleached palm oil, and this is exactly how it looks. In Ghana, there is very similar oil that we sell in the market. It is the palm kernel oil, and if you want the similar and smarter and less dangerous process, you can go ahead and buy that. The aroma is just the same. Okay, so I put my oil in my pot, and I'll fry this cow foot and the beef for about 2 minutes on each side, and I'll go ahead and add my onions. You may also choose to fry it in your air fryer or in your oven. All right. So now let's begin with the sauce. It is very easy. You throw in your onions, allow it to fry until caramelized, and you then add your chopped or crushed peppers and make sure everything is well incorporated. One important ingredient that you need to also add, making it more authentic, is your fermented Lucost bean, which in Ghana known as dawa dawa. I have the powder here, so I'm going to add it in here and mix everything together. Trust me, the aroma is just amazing. Everything has been added and blended together. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook through for about 5 to 7 minutes. It has a beautiful own juices that is going to release, which is absolutely delectable and amazing. Please be sure to do this on a low to medium heat. Okay, so as you can see, it has been frying very well. So it's now time for us to introduce our cooked and very soft meat. And this is an enter your eye moment right now. Immediately we see the meat. Oh my god, the sauce is about to get ready, and it's important to also boost up more flavor. So we're going to add our beef stock, and not just that, we're going to also add our other seasoning, any seasoning of choice, any seasoning you like to cook with. Please add it here. I added some cayenne pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and lots more of the beef seasoning. And of course, you need to taste for salt. If you need more, you just add it. I need a little bit of salt, so I added that as well. So good. And last but not the least, we're going to add our boiled eggs and make it simmer for about 3 minutes, and our sauce should be completely done. And trust me, the eggs really made it attractive to my eyes as a Ghanaian, and I know you are going to also feel the same way. And just look at this beauty. We are done with it. It smells absolutely amazing. All that you have to do is to allow it to simmer, as I said, for about 3 minutes, or whenever you prefer, on a very low heat, and everything will be at the right place, and you are going to love it so much. Of course, once you're done, you go ahead and serve. You may pair it with your normal rice, which is absolutely okay, but this is paired with Ofada rice. It just go hand in hand, and I think you should try this combo. It is very, very delicious. Of course, not forgetting your fried red plantains is just the perfect combo. I really enjoy this. This happens to be my favorite rice dish from Nigeria. I've tried a lot of dishes, but I really love the taste of this. So if you are looking for other ways to spice up things in the kitchen, please try this sauce and rice, and you're going to love this for sure. So there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time on this channel. It will be very great to give me a thumbs up. Please do not forget that. It's really important, and also share to a few friends and family as well. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.